Let's break down the rules and regulations for a Okay, one more time. To throw 2 bottles behind the back or over the shoulder, starting from the reverse multiplex upside down grip, E, L, Q, up, right down on the ground. If you're not hitting a move 90 to 100% of the time during practice time, do not use that move in a show.
It's the darn camera, I'm so nervous of it.
Looked like I was gonna.
Read thy judges.
My name is Elmer J. Fudd, millionaire. I own a mansion and a yacht. Oh yeah, we're on the go now. At the end of the show, beat him up in the parking lot.
I'll do it again. But Luke Skywalker, we're never gonna find Yoda if we keep running around this place.
Really? Catch that. Catch that, baby. Oh yeah. Let's do that again. These are terms that I need to know to remember with this all thing by and all this, the doobie boo boo. Come on, Boog! Now let's go into the reverted cascade. Now let's use the same. Now let's say that you. It's a lot better if you don't drop it, but if you do happen to drop it, don't let it bother you too much. I thought about the fact that I was done after the fact that I was done. We're done.